This 2024 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 6280 is a Class C RV. It is located in Port Charlotte, Florida, 33980 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulfstream is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 37 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2024 Gulfstream Conquest Class C 6280LE is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.